Hello gorgeous, it's Jen. Welcome back to my channel. Today I am excited to go over my April Boxycharm with you. This is going to be an unboxing and a try on. As you can see, I do have a good portion of my face done. I went ahead and added the things that I knew were not in this box because I did cheat. We'll go over everything that is in the box and then I'll try on the products that I can. If you're not familiar with Boxycharm, it's a subscription box. You get it every month. There are different sized boxes that you can get. I get the smallest box. Mine is the base box. I pay $27.99 per box. I, of course, will have everything linked below, but in a nutshell, you get 5 full-size, either skincare or makeup products. You get to choose one of them. And my favorite thing about Boxycharm is that they have what is called the drop shop, where I get to go in every month and purchase makeup at a great discount. So I love that part. Some boxes are better than others. Let's see what's in this box. It says Boxy Spring Revival. On the back is everything that I got in the box. So I'm going to start with the non-makeup items. The first one that I got is the QMS Epigen Depuff Pollution Shield Eye Serum. It says this protective eye serum with epigenic peptide, depuffing actives, and a cool tip ceramic applicator for an awakened youthful look, suitable for all skin types. Retail price $110. What? Let's take a look at this. I believe I've tried products from this brand before. Very pretty packaging. It's got a neat looking tip there. And I want to just feel the consistency. It feels thin. It's got a slight scent, but nothing too overpowering. It is very lightweight and gel-like. So I do appreciate that. Will I use this? Absolutely. And then what's nice is oftentimes the next month you see it in the drop shop. The next product is the Ciate London Dewy Skin Vitamin C Glass Glow Primer. It says prep skin for flawless dewy makeup application with a cushiony texture. This primer provides a luminous glow with a dewy glass-like finish, formulated with brightening vitamin C and dragon fruit extract, rehydrating hyaluronic acid, moisture-boosting yuzu extract, and nourishing vitamin E to deliver a smooth and hydrated canvas that glows all day. This retails for $32. If you know me, I am not looking for a dewy skin primer, so this will be set aside for a family member or a future giveaway. Moving on, this is the LOVE+CRAFT+BEAUTY No. 2 Powder Brush. Perfect for shading and setting, this powder brush is the ideal size, shape, and texture for applying loose or pressed powder without streaks or cakiness. Retails for $18. Love the design. Look at the, like, I guess you would call that houndstooth design. And the brush feels very nice. I would think it might be nice for setting the face, maybe a light dusting of blush. Feels beautiful. I like that a lot. Now we're getting to a little bit more makeup. This is the EVO Beauty Lip-Spo Liner Duo. Creamy, long-lasting, rich color to line or fill lips. This 2-piece kit features a velvety formula that glides effortlessly along your lips for a perfectly defined pout in a matte finish named after people who inspire us. This retails for $24. I'm curious about the names. Looks like a pink and a red that I got here. And let's see, the red one, oh, it is so hard to read. I will post the names up here of these two liners, but we are for sure going to get into them. And then the last thing that I got is this Complex Culture Beauty Future So Bright Eyeshadow Palette. Bring a new outlook with these jewel-inspired shades that will spark a new attitude. These creamy, buildable matte and shimmer shades can be worn on their own or layered for endless looks. This retails for $30. I have not heard of this brand. Let me know if you have heard of it. I like the outer packaging. It is very pretty. Let's take a look at this palette. That's gorgeous. Really nice. This is a plastic feeling coating here. And when you open it, there is looks like a shade protector. And what's nice is it's got some details here on the card. The very bottom there are 3 different styles of brushes. The bottom says define, the middle says shade, and then the top says blend, which is interesting because they mixed matte and shimmers in here. I don't know about the cheat sheet, but the shades look very pretty. It actually reminds me of the new Patrick Ta palette that I did not go for because the rosy tones are not my thing. If I go for rosy tones, I turn to my Wayne Goss palette, I believe it's the Pearl palette I love. But this is gorgeous, and we're doing a rosy toned look today. Let's do some swatches of this baby. This is Horizon, Vision, that is Spark, this is Arrive, this is Kismet, this one you can barely see down here is Evolve, that'll be a nice blending shade. This one is Awaken, Manifest, and then Reflect. Very pretty. The mauvey rosy tones are what is hot right now. Let's just go with it. So I did put a bit of liner on my eyes just to skip a step, and because I figure I line my waterline and my eyes every day anyway. I'm gonna grab my AOA E28. This came in a set, and I'm gonna go in with Manifest, which this packaging is beautiful. It's heavy. There's a gorgeous mirror. So let's go into Manifest and see what this looks like. I primed my eyes. Of course, everything on my face will be in the description box, but if you just have to know, it is the Ulta Matte Eye Primer that I'm very much enjoying right now. It just goes on so silky on the eyes and then sets itself, so I don't have to break out the powder. That looks nice. There is some powder kick up in the pan, which I don't mind. I just tap off my brush every time. This is not an everyday look for me, but I think it's nice. I'm gonna go into this Vision, this darker pink shade, and I'm gonna put that on the bottom lash line. I think I like it. That looks nice. I'm gonna go, this Spark, I thought that was a matte. That is a shimmer. So I'm not gonna put a shimmer in my outer corner. I'm gonna stick to this Vision shade, and I'm gonna put that in my outer corner, because it just seems to be a deeper version of that Manifest. So it's gonna be a little monochromatic at this point, and then we'll decide. I'll decide what I'm doing for a shimmer in a minute. Ooh. Who am I? I'm liking this. Alright, going back into that crease brush and just making sure it's blended. Now for the shimmer. The brightest one here, it looks like, is this Kismet. Do we go into Horizon? Looks like more of a brown taupe. Kismet, which is like that Barbie pink. Spark, which is a little more purple. Or the gold. Oh, and there's one more. We have that bright shimmer at the top. This one is perfect. Ooh, what do I do? I'm gonna put Kismet on the lid, and then I'm gonna put that Perfect a little bit more towards the inner corner. So let's start with this Kismet. Texture is not bad. It's not my favorite texture of shimmer, but it is not bad. This Reflect seems a little creamier. pretty. I see a little purple going on in there. It looked like champagne. I'm gonna jump off camera, throw a little bit of this Stila Huge mascara on, and I'll be right back. I am back. Very nice mascara that I got in a previous Boxycharm box. Lashes look good. Eye look not my comfort zone, but definitely wearable. It is not too overly pink. Let me know what you think. And the last product that I want to play with are these lip liners. I'm going to go in with this more pink shade of the lip liner that I got. Looks like it is a pencil. And let's see how creamy it is. I did wipe off my lip plumper. I just had the one that I've been enjoying from iMethod on. Again, I'll list everything in the description box. Went on super easy, very creamy. I do really like it. So let me swatch these colors for you so you can see. I'm assuming they sell them individually. This is the lighter pink. Again, I'll list the name. And then this is the, almost looks like a red. There is the other shade, which looking at it here, it looks definitely more like a red, but super creamy. I grabbed this gloss here from Cab Beauty. I got this in a previous Boxycharm as well. I know it looks like it's blue, but it doesn't show up blue. It is scented blue raspberry. So I'm gonna go ahead and throw some of this on. I think it looks very nice. Let me go ahead and give you my final thoughts and then we'll see the value. So for the primer, even though I'm not gonna use it, I understand that is what's hot right now. Everybody wants that glass-like dewy skin. I get it. I'm just an oily skin girl, so it's not my jam, but I know plenty of people that do enjoy it and will appreciate it. The brush seems very nice. I will never say no to a nice brush. I've gotten a lot from Luxie, and they are some of my favorite brushes. This is a great brush. I like that. The lip liners, I don't wear a lot of pink lips, but when I do, for sure, I will reach for these. And maybe if this one can go with a nice red lip, heck yeah, I will use that. I appreciate the creaminess of it. The eye cream, absolutely. I rarely have to buy skincare anymore because I get so many eye creams and serums from Boxycharm, and that's nice. And that can be a really expensive thing to purchase, and I do like that I get those things from Boxycharm. And then the last thing is this eyeshadow palette. I like it. I wish the color story were a little bit different. I will have to play with this gold and this more beigey tone right here because I think I can make a more neutral look. Even this taupe right here, absolutely. So I came up with a pink look, but I think I could warm this up quite a bit if I wanted to. I will continue playing with it and keep you posted. Now for the value of the box. $214 is the retail value of the box. Very nice. I am pleased with this box, Boxycharm. Good job. And if you are interested, again, I will have it listed in the description box. You can use my link. I think I just get points. It's not an affiliate link. I don't receive a commission or an income from that. I get points, or just check out boxycharm.com. Anything that I already had on my face, I will have linked below. If you've not subscribed to my channel, I would love it if you would hit that subscribe button, hit the notification bell so that you know when I upload videos, which is 3 times a week, Monday, Wednesday, and Saturday. I just did my first live on Wednesday. It was a journey. I may continue doing live. Get ready with me. Let me know what you think about that. If you enjoyed the video, give it a thumbs up. As always, leave me a comment. Let me know you were here. Let me know any ideas that you have for future videos or what you thought, what you have. I will see you in the next video. Have a great day.